Introducing Cohesity, what we are, what we do, and how you benefit. What is Cohesity? Cohesity is a software-defined data management platform, and being software-defined, that means we can run anywhere. We can run on top of physical appliances within your data center. For smaller remote offices at the edge, we can run as VMs. And in the cloud, we operate on top of AWS, Azure, and Google. And the benefit to you is you're not bound to any IT architecture. Organizations currently on-premise migrating to the cloud, Cohesity can seamlessly migrate with you. Not only that, we can significantly help in your migration to the cloud. What does Cohesity do? We consolidate data management workloads onto a single operating platform, starting with our data protection. I believe we have the best data protection out there. Automated backups that protect both on-premise and cloud sources, and you're able to automate the entire data lifecycle. Backup to disaster recovery to archive. And for the system admin, automated backups allows them to eliminate a lot of those low-value, time-consuming, redundant tasks, let you focus on those value-add tasks. Self-service recovery enables the end user to perform recovery as easy as a Google search, whether that be a single file to thousands of VMs at once. And for the end user, the benefit is they don't have to rely on the help desk anymore. If they need a file at 1 a.m. in the morning, they have their own self-service capabilities. For the system admin, again, this eliminates another very time-consuming task. DR, automated failover and failback runbook. What this lets you do is it allows you to be able to pre-plan a disaster recovery scenario and allow you to be able to repeatedly and non-disruptively test it and verify it. Secure archive, meaning your data is going to be encrypted no matter where it is. Whether you archive to tape, whether you archive to disk, whether you archive to cloud, whether you keep your archives forever, your archives will always be encrypted. And this is our complete data protection package, but it's not our complete data management. In addition to these data protection features, Cohesity also has smart files. Cohesity platform has its own file system, NFS, SMB, and S3 protocols. And what that allows you to do as a benefit is it allows you to do things like consolidate your unstructured data sprawl. Over the years, you've collected data on some physical file servers, some virtual file servers, some on some NAS, some on some storage, some in archive. And this allows you to be able to take all that data, consolidate it onto Cohesity, where it will be deduplicated, compressed, indexed, and encrypted. On-demand test dev. This is an absolutely amazing feature. It enables you to instantly clone objects from your backup into an isolated lab. So if I want to create my SharePoint environment for something like patch testing, I can spin up my entire SharePoint environment on top of Cohesity in an isolated lab, allowing me to do my work, and with a single button to be able to tear the entire thing down. It allows your IT end users to be able to provision their own storage, and again, it frees up the system admin from a very time-consuming task of provisioning test dev environments. And Cohesity's Analytic Workbench. This allows you to be able to run applications on the workbench that pull value from all your backups and files sitting on Cohesity. Pattern Finder, Video Compressor, example of a couple of applications. But imagine Google. With all those applications, Cohesity operates the same way. You can build your own applications or get applications from our marketplace that extract value from your backups and files. And the benefit to you really is infinite possibilities. And this complete data management package on top of Cohesity allows you to be able to revision these different features one at a time or all encompassing. And the entire data management platform actually costs about the same or sometimes even less than what you're paying for your current backup solution. And the beauty of this platform is all these data management services are self-service. Based on your access rights and permissions, end users can now be able to do self-service featuring on all these platforms. And from a system administrative standpoint, this is a fantastic platform that you can manage from a single user interface. Even if your VPN is down, you can still access your entire platform through our SaaS-based Helios. And this allows you to manage everything, including your end users, where you can determine what they can see and what they can do. And everything an end user does on this leaves a trace, so everything is auditable. This entire environment, again, think of it almost encased by this security bubble. With a lot of our security first architecture, things like cybersecurity allows us to be able to do scans on your backups to identify vulnerabilities in your production environment so you can patch them. If ransomware does get by, we have ransomware detection with instant recovery at scale. Meaning if one VM needs to be recovered or 100 VMs at once, Cohesity will be able to detect it and provision that instant recovery. And our end-to-end encryption, no matter where your data is, in your data center, out at the edge, in the cloud, all encrypted. All different services as well. Your backups are encrypted, your disaster recovery is encrypted, smart files encrypted, and your test dev environment is encrypted as well. This entire environment has equal accessibility whether you're at home or in the office. The user experience does not change. So all these features, being remote or not, you get the exact same user experience, and from the sysadmin, he gets the exact same administrative managerial experience, whether he's working at home or in the office. Cohesity.com and select Get Started. About 10 minutes to put in some basic contact information. Your local team will reach out to you, get a better understanding of your environment, some of the problems you're having, what you look like, and for the objective of having a remote 45-minute presentation to you. 15 minutes of that presentation will be on the Cohesity data platform, going a little deeper dive into what we are. And then a 30-minute customized demo will show exactly what Cohesity would look like in your environment. Show how easy it is to integrate and how non-disruptive it is to integrate, not being rip and replace. We can work with your current infrastructure and allow you to maximize your current investment. How easy it is to manage, how easy it is to operate, and the security of the platform. And it all begins with